Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. Please be safe. Please take care of your health. Wear mask whenever you go outside. It is very healthy and very important for our life. Let me come to my class. In our last class, in our previous classes, we have come across with various concepts in our accountancy. Correct? Yes, obviously. Accountancy means it is a theory and practices of accounting. In that, we have learned theory and also we have started for practices of accounting. First chapter and second chapter. In first chapter, we have learned theory. And in second chapter also we have learned theory. And from third chapter we have started doing practices of our accounting. In third chapter, what are the things we have discussed? What is the third chapter? Our third chapter is recording of business transaction 1. Our third chapter is recording of business transaction 1. In that, first concept we have discussed accounting cycle, correct? Do you remember what is the first concept we have started in third chapter? Our chapter 3 is recording of business transaction 1. In that we have started accounting cycle. What is accounting cycle? What is the process of accounting cycle? Which is nothing but it starts with the business transaction and ends with the preparation of the final accounts, which means accounting cycle is very important question for you. There will be 5 marks question and you draw the diagram of accounting cycle. Accounting cycle. First what we will do, we will identify the business transactions. That transactions will be transferred to a journal or subsidiary books. After writing journal or subsidiary books, we will transfer to the ledger. After ledger, trial balance. After trial balance, final accounts. This is the accounting cycle. This is the accounting process which I have been covered in the previous class. And after that, we have come across with accounting equations. Correct? Do you remember accounting equations? Yes, I have been taught you in my previous classes. I had done that. Accounting equations. What is the meaning of accounting equation? Accounting equation means whatever the assets are there, that all assets of the business will be equal to the total liabilities of the business. What is the formula for the calculation of assets? Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. With this formula, we have done certain problems. Find out the missing figures with the help of accounting equations. We have find out the assets, liabilities as well as capital by taking the help of formula. That concept is also covered. After that, the next concept we covered in our previous classes is classifications. Do you remember? We have done the classifications. What is the classifications? There will be certain accounts which we have to classify under American system. There will be certain accounts which we have to classify under asset account, liabilities account, capital account, expenses and losses account, and incomes and gains account. On that we have covered 7 problems. I hope all of you have been understood and you have been done previous 6 and 7 problems in the notes. In the notes we have done that also. Correct, right? Do you remember classifications? There will be question for you 6 marks, compulsory question for you. Classify the following accounts under American system, or the question will be like this: classify the following accounts into asset account, liability account, capital account. After that, expenses and losses account, and incomes and gains account. We have been classified and we have done certain problems on that also. That is very important. After that, in third chapter, the third chapter never ends. The third chapter still it is continuing. After finding out the accounting equations, after going across classifications, The next topic in third chapter is journal. What is the next topic in the third chapter? Journal. The next and important concept, we will follow the accounting cycle. First, business transactions. What is accounting cycle chart? First, business transactions will be there. Next, we will transfer to the journal. After journal, we will transfer to the ledger. After ledger, trial balance. After trial balance, final accounts. What is the first foremost duty we will do? Whatever the business transactions are there, that business transactions will be transferred to the journal. The next point, the next important concept in third chapter is journal. What is journal here? Very important for you this. What is journal? The word journal has been derived from Latin word journal, J-O-U-R-N-A-L. The next and important concept for you in third chapter. What is that? Journal. What is the meaning of journal? The word, the term journal is derived from Latin. Journal it has been derived from Latin country. What is that word? Journal, J-O-U-R-N. Once again repeat. The term journal is derived from Latin word that is called jour, which means a day. Are you understanding? Once again repeat. What is the meaning of journal? Journal means the term journal is derived from Latin. Elinda word bandirodu Latin inda bandirodu ಆ word ಹೆಸರು jour. Jour ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? A day. Latin ನಲ್ಲಿ jour ಅಂದ್ರೆ a day ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Which means therefore journal means a day book or daily record. ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಬುಕ್ ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. That is called journal. Journal means the term journal is derived from Latin word that is called jour. Jour ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? A day. Therefore journal means a day book. Journal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? A day book or daily record. Journal means ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಬುಕ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು. That is called journal. Are you understanding it? Journal means a day book or daily record. Daily record which means you are understanding. Daily record ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲವರೆಗೂ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೈಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. Are you understanding it? The term journal is derived from Latin that is called jour, which means a day. Therefore journal means a day book or daily record. Now there is one more definition for journal. Journal is a book of original entry. Journal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Journal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್. Journal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್. Journal is a book of original entry. Original entry ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್. ಆ ಬುಕ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್. ಆ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬುಕ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್? ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ that business transactions will be writing first in journal. That is called journal book. Journal is a book of original entry or prime entry. Prime is first entry. Whatever the business transactions which takes place in our business daily, that will be recording first in journal. That will be recording first in journal. That is called journals. Journal is a book of original entry or prime entry in which transactions are first recorded. Which means journal means it is a book of original entry or prime entry in which we are recording our business transactions correctly, cleanly, perfectly in the first system. We will follow our accounting cycle. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಏನೇ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ journal. That is the point they are telling. Journal is a book of original entry or prime entry in which we are recording our business transaction first in the chronological order. ಯಾವ order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? Chronological order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. There will be one marks question for you. Journals will be recorded dash order. There will be one marks question for you. Journals will be recorded in dash order. Journals will be recorded in chronological order. Journals ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು? It will be recorded under chronological order. Journals always recorded in chronological order. In chronological order, chronological order ಅಂದ್ರೆ journals ನಾವು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ it should be recorded in a systematic manner. It should be recorded in a simple manner. It should be recorded in an easy manner. That is called chronological order. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲವರೆಗೂ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನ ನಾವು ಜರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದಾಗ ಯಾವ ತರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ chronological order. Chronological order ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೇಟ್ ವೈಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಜಾನ್ವರಿ ಮಂತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೇಟ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡೇಟ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಡೇಟ್, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಡೇಟ್, ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಡೇಟ್, ಸೆವೆಂತ್, ಏಯ್ತ್, ನೈನ್ತ್, 10 ಈ ತರ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ chronological order. ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ನಾವು ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಬರೆದಾಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ದ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್? ಇನ್ chronological order. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಯಾವ ತರ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜರ್ನಲ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪುಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. ಏನು ಡೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಡೇಟ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್. Journal is a book in which we are going to record the business transactions in the chronological order. Is called journal. Once again I repeat, what is the meaning of journal? The term journal has been derived from Latin word that is called jor. Jor means a day, which means journal means a day book or daily record. What is the meaning of journal? Journal is a book of original entry or prime entry in which business transactions will be recorded first recorded in the chronological order or when they takes place. ಈ is called journal. Let us go for the next. What is the next heading? Features of journal. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಜರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗು ನ್ಯೂ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಪೇಜ್. ನ್ಯೂ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ itself. We are not going for the fourth chapter. This continues in the third chapter only. Third chapter ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನ್ಯೂ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀರಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ. Let us go for the next heading. Next heading notes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿರಬೇಕು. What is the next heading? Features of journal. What is the next heading we have to write in the notes? The next heading is features of journal. What is the meaning of journal? Journal means it is a prime entry or first entry where we are recording our business transactions in a chronological order. Whatever meaning we have seen here, that meaning itself comes under the features. Let us see one by one. Features of journal. There will be 2 marks question for you. 2 marks question will be ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. There will be 2 marks question for you. What are the features of journal? In that you can write any 3 or 2. Are you understanding here? Features of journal. There will be 2 marks question for you. What write any 2 features of journal? During that you can write any 2 features of the journal. Let us go one by one. First feature is it is a diary record. Obviously, can you agree this point? Yes, obviously we will agree this. It is a diary record. Journal means it is a diary record, which means ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲವರೆಗೂ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡೈಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ದಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡೈಲಿ recorded in the journal. First point is over. Next, second point what? It is a chronological record. It is a chronological record. It is a chronological order. Yes, correct. Chronological order means what? We have to write our business transaction date wise whenever it takes place, which means whatever the business transactions are there, that all business transactions should be recorded in the chronological order in the journal or whenever it takes place. That is called, it should be recorded in a chronological order. Date wise, first date ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Which means whatever the business transactions are taking place in our business, according to that date we have to write in the journal is called, it should be recorded in a chronological order. Next, third point, it is a book of first entry or prime entry. Yes, obviously whenever our business transactions takes place, our first duty, our first account is only preparing the journal. We will not prepare any other account. We will not do any other system. First, we will follow our accounting cycle only. Whenever business transactions has been identified, the transaction should be related to money. That all transactions first will be writing under journal only. Instead of journal, we will not prepare any account. Are you understanding here? Whenever we will identify the business transaction, after identifying the business transaction, the first duty is we have to write in the journal only. That is the third point we are telling. Journal means it is a book where we are recording the business transaction first or primary entry. Next, fourth point. What is the fourth point it is telling? It gives the complete picture. Yes, obviously it gives the complete picture. Whenever we will write our business transaction in journal, we will write the date, we will write the transaction, we will write the activity whenever it takes place in our business. Once we have been written in the journal entry that gives the clear picture to us. Yes, obviously it will be available in the journal whenever we need, whenever we want, we can see it, which means whatever the business transaction has been occurred in our business, that transaction will be shows in a journal, that will be reflected in a clear picture, it will be reflected in a complete picture, which means whatever the transaction we have done on that particular date with a particular person, that will be shown in the journal with a complete picture of each transaction, with an explanation. What with an explanation? It will be writing brief explanation, which means whatever the transaction we are taking place in our business, we will write in the journal. Once we write in the journal, along with that, we will write the explanation also. We will write the meaning of the transaction also. We will write the full explanation of that particular transaction. That is what it gives a complete picture, and also it shows the complete explanation of a particular transaction. That is what it gives the complete picture of any activity or any transaction, of each transaction with the explanation. Obviously, we will not write only date, we will not write any transaction. Along with the date, along with the transaction, along with the money, we will write the explanation also. That is called journal. What is the meaning of journal? Whatever the business transactions which takes place in our business, that transaction will be writing in journal. After writing in journal, we will write date, we will write the transaction, we will write the amount, as well as we will write the explanation of that particular transaction also is called journal. These are the 4 features of journal. I hope all of you have been understood these features. The first, it is a daily record. Second one, it is a chronological order. Third one, it is a book of first entry or prime entry. Fourth one, it gives the complete picture of each transaction with an explanation. After writing the features, the next heading is objectives of journal. What is the next heading? The next heading is objectives of journal. What we have to do here? What is the main intention? What is the main reason for preparing the journal? That is the next heading. What is the next heading? Write down in the notes. The next heading is objectives of journal. What are the main aim for the preparation of the journal? The first is, what is the first objective? What is the main intention to write in the journal? The first intention for the preparation of the journal is to record each day's transaction on the same date. To record each transaction date. To record each day's transaction on the same date. Just I will send you first point what they are telling, to record the each days of transaction on the same date. Daily business ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಡೇಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದೇ ಡೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ನಾವು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೇಟ್, on the particular column, on the particular person, on the particular amount. That is called to record each day's transaction on the same date. Same date. ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಡೇಟ್ ನಾವು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. Next, second point, to provide a chronological record of all business transaction. What is the second main intention? Our aim is for preparation of the journal is to provide a chronological record for all business transaction. I hope all of you know the meaning of chronological order. Chronological order is nothing but it should be recording in a system. It should be recording in a one process, that is called chronological order. the meaning itself I have said you to provide a chronological record of all business transactions. Whatever our business transactions takes place in our business, that all transactions should be recorded in a chronological order, in a date-wise order, in a system manner, in a easy manner. That is called chronological record. Next, third point, very simple. The third point is to provide a complete record, which means whatever the transactions takes place in our business, that all transactions should be shown completely. We will not hide anything. We will not miss anything. Whatever the transactions takes place, that all transactions will be writing completely, with writing cleanly, without doing mistakes. Each transaction we have to write our business transactions cleanly, completely in one place. Where we have to write in one place. We will not write separate. We will be writing all our business transaction in one particular place with a complete system. Is the intention of the preparation of the journal. What is the third point? To provide a complete record of each transaction in one place. Whatever the transactions take place in our business, that all transactions we have to write in a one particular page, in one particular book, in one particular place. That is our intention. Next is, what is the use of preparation of this journal? Once we prepare the journal, the preparation of the journal will always help in preparation of the various accounts in journal. Yes, obviously we will follow our accounting cycle. First, whatever the business transactions are there, that business transactions will be writing under journal. After writing journal, with the help of journal, we will pass the journal entries into the ledger. That is called to help in the preparation of the various accounts in journal. We will follow our accounting cycle. After preparation of the journal, we will transfer to the ledger. This journal always helps for the preparation of the various accounts. That is called ledger. I hope all of you have been understood the objectives of journal. After this, write down the next heading, journalizing. Write down the next heading, journalizing. journalising. Write down the next heading, journalizing. What is the meaning of journalizing? Journalizing, there will be 1 marks question or 2 marks question for you. What is the meaning of journal? What is the meaning of journalizing? Journalizing is the process of recording transaction in the journal book is called journalizing. Whatever the business transaction, for example, we have purchased goods, that will be writing under journal. We have sold goods, this is a transaction, we will be writing under journal book. This process is called journalizing. Simple. Are you listening here? Whatever the business transactions are there, we will be writing under journal. Business transactions will be converting into journal book is called journalizing. Journalizing is, it is the process of recording transactions. It is a process of business transactions in the journal book, where we will write our business transaction in the journal book is called journalizing. What is the meaning of journalizing? Journalizing means it is the process where we, whatever the business transactions are there, that all business transactions will be writing under journal book is called journalizing. Are you understanding? It is very simple. Whatever the business transactions are there, that all transactions will be writing in journal book. This process, this system is called journalizing. Is called journalizing. Write down in the notes. What is the meaning of journalizing? Journalizing is, it is the process of recording transactions in the journal book is called journalizing. NARRATION. Next heading is narration. What is the meaning of narration? Very important. This may ask you for 2 marks. For how many marks will may ask you? This may ask you for 2 marks. What is the meaning of narration? What is this narration? Narration is nothing but just I have said you here. Features alla explain madidini. What is the meaning of general list? It gives the complete picture of each transaction with the explanation. Anta nanu helide. With the explanation is nothing but on which date, with whom, for how many rupees we have been done transaction, and also it will be writing in an explanation. That is the part journal anta nanu helide. Same meaning indicates here. What is the meaning of narration? Narration means it is a brief explanation. What is the meaning of narration? Narration means it is a brief explanation or brief writing. That is called brief explanation to the journal entry. Gives below the journal entry within the bracket is called narration. ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಬರೆದಾಗ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನರೇಷನ್. ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನರೇಷನ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ in below that below that in a bracket we will write particular explanation of that particular transaction is called narration. What is the meaning of narration? Narration means it is a brief explanation to the journal entry will be written below in a bracket is called narration. I hope all of you are understanding here. Narration means it is a brief explanation we will write below the journal entry in a bracket is called narration. After writing this, write on the next heading format of journal entries. Write on the next heading in the notes format of journal entries. Below that draw this format for 2 lines. For how many lines? Draw this format for 2 lines. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Write on this format in the notes. Only for 2 lines. The next heading write on format of journal entries. Write on the heading format of journal entries. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Write on this format. For only 2 lines. The format of journal entries has been divided into 5 points. First column is date column. Second column is particulars. Third column is LF. Fourth column is debit. Fifth column is credit. This is how we will write our business transactions in the journal. Now business transactions in agirli by taking the help of this format only we will write in the journal book. What is the format for the preparation of the journal entries is date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Draw for 2 lines. First column is date column. We will be in this column. We will write only dates in the chronological order. First date. In a transaction, for example, transaction takes place on first date 1/1/2020. If any transaction takes place on second 2/1/2020. If any transaction takes place on third 3/1/2020. This is how we will write the transaction will write the explanation. Below that we will write the brief explanation of a particular transaction. This is called narration. Just now I have been explained to you here. In what is the meaning of narration? Narration is we will be writing. It is a brief explanation. What is the meaning of narration? Narration is it is a brief explanation. We will write that below the journal entry in a bracket is called narration. The second column is particular column. In particular column we will write the transaction. Below that we will write the narration. We will write the explanation in a brief in a bracket is called narration. Next is third column is LF column. LF is nothing but ledger folio column. In this we will not write anything. This column will help us to do the next ledgers. This column will be called as a ledger folio. LF is nothing but ledger. I will write here ledger folio. In this column we will not write anything. Once you go to the organization, it will help you there. Next, the fourth column is debit column. In debit column, we will write the debit amount. What we will write here? We will write the debit amount. Next, fifth column is credit column. In credit column, we will write the amount to be credited. That is called a credit column. Debit column, credit column. Amount ಏನಾದರೂ debit ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ debit column, amount ಏನಾದರೂ credit ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ credit column. This is how we have to write the business transactions in the journal. By taking the help of this format, we will be writing the columns. We will be doing the business transactions in the journal book. You have to write this in the notes. After, by taking the help of English system, personal account, real account, nominal account, we have to do problems. On this, he will be asking you 14 marks question. For how many marks you will be getting? 14 marks question will be addressed to you, which I will continue in the next class. Thank you so much. I hope all of you have been understood today's topic. In today's class, we have discussed meaning of journal as well as features. After that, objectives. The next is generalizing. After that, narration and also the format. In today's class, we have covered this. I hope all of you have been understood, and you should write this correct in the notes. After that, draw the format. From tomorrow onwards, we will start 14 marks problems to you on this concept. I hope all of you have been